Chevron's restructuring is here, and one mistake with your severance could cost you thousands. Let's make sure you're financially ready for whatever comes next. Look, if you're a Chevron employee facing severance, this isn't just a job change, it's a financial reset. The decisions you make right now about your severance, benefits, and retirement plan will have lasting impacts. And without a clear plan, you could be leaving money on the table. First, let's cut to the chase. Can you afford this transition? Not just for a few months, but for the long haul. Most people look at their severance package and think, this will cover me for a while. But have you actually sat down and done the math? You need to account for all sources of income, your severance, savings, investments, and any other financial resources. How long will they last given your typical expenses? Chevron's severance package can provide a cushion, but they don't last forever. And if you don't have a plan in place, you could find yourself in financial trouble sooner than expected. Are you going to look for a new job, or can you retire? If you're retiring, there are important decisions you need to make before your last day. Let's look at your pension. What will you choose, the lump sum or the annuity? Well, a lump sum payout gives you control over your money. You can invest it, you can roll it into an IRA, or you can use it to create income streams that fit your retirement plan. An annuity, on the other hand, provides a steady paycheck for life, which can be great for stability. But timing on this matters because interest rates impact your payout if you choose the lump sum. Get this wrong, and it could cost you thousands. If you're a high-income employee, you also need to think about the Retirement Restoration Plan, the RRP. This plan provides additional benefits, but it's critical to understand how they fit into your larger financial picture before you make any moves. If you're accepting a severance, this is your last chance to take advantage of Chevron's benefits. Before you leave, consider maxing out your 401k and revisit your investment strategy. Once you leave Chevron, you can't contribute to the 401k anymore, and Chevron's match will stop too. Maxing out your contributions before you leave can give you major tax advantages. Review your investment strategy. Are your investments aligned with your long-term goals? If you're retiring or transitioning careers, now's the time to reevaluate your risk level and make sure your portfolio is structured for what comes next. You can determine what to do with your ESIP. Do you roll your 401k over into an IRA? Keep it where it is? Cash it out? Rolling over into an IRA can give you flexibility. It can give you more control over your investments, but it has to be done correctly to avoid unnecessary taxes and penalties. If you're feeling uncertain, that's normal, but you don't have to figure this out alone. We've helped many Chevron employees navigate severance, retirement, and make decisions about their benefits, and we can help you do the same. Use the link below to request an in-depth chat with our team about your options and what makes the most sense for your future. And if you found this helpful, follow us for more insights. We're here to help you take control of your financial future.